Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this kind of cool drop shadow frame on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video, and you're just going to make that video smaller than the one on top. Then you are just going to go to effects, go to video effects, and you're going to select the lens, and you're going to add in a blur to the the first video, my bad, like that. Go to media and add in a black stock video underneath that, and go to mask, rectangle, like so, and feather that out just a little bit. And that's basically it. Super simple. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.